believe in India of yesterday. I believe that there is an India of yesterday, believe in India of today, and there is a great future for India of tomorrow. That's the kind of message I'd like to take back home for the next, not even 2 months, for the next couple of years. So that's I think, in essence, what I'd like to take out of this entire summit. I think what I said earlier, I believe in India of yesterday, I believe in India of today, and I strongly believe in India of tomorrow. So it's a statement filled with hope, passion, and commitment that there is a future for this country. And not just future, a great future. And what the entrepreneurs of India need today is not just great speeches and great platforms like this, but they also need global opportunities to come at their doorsteps in this country. And I think we have that opportunities available, and I think if India is a land of enterprise, and I'm sure we will have all the entrepreneurs in India, and the rest of the world is looking at India to produce entrepreneurs, not just for India, but for the rest of the world. And not just entrepreneurs, but also skilled labor. So I think India has it all, India has the ingredients. We need some good governance for the future, and I think that's the way to go forward. Absolutely, I think Indians can build India, why not? I think we have the right, we have the best talent in the world to build our own country. And we know our country better. As somebody said, India is a land of complexity. And only Indians can handle complexity better than anybody else. I strongly believe in that statement. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.